Hello everyone, this is Rohit Kaushal from Icon Technologies Private Limited. Today in this demonstration we are going to show you how snStreetLight enlightened platform works. To start with, let me tell you what we are going to do and how we are going to do it. We are going to control this street light LED lamp with the help of this system, which is not at all widely connected to the street lamp. So this entire system is wireless sensor network based. So let me tell you, the backbone of this entire system is snStreetLight. This is also an in-house product of Icon Technologies, which is based on IEEE 802.15.4, and it has been developed for WSN, wireless sensor networks, and IoT applications, Internet of Things. So we'll pass commands from these control mechanism system to LED lamps and they'll respond back. And how they respond back? We can switch it on, we can switch it off. And if we have passed the command and it is not on or off, it will reply back that you have passed the command but light is not on. And thirdly, we are going to control the brightness also. We can take the brightness in the peak value to the lowest value, that is 1, and it will travel 1, 2, 3, 4 till 100, and in decreasing order 100 to 1. So let me start the demonstration and show you how we are going to control it. So I just switch on the GUI that I have to show you. Okay, let me show you the screen. This is the interface, and in this interface you can very well see the 11 buttons. Out of these 11 buttons, 10 are disabled because we have just one lamp. Okay, and the one lamp, it is enabled. So you can see on, it's an on button. If you click it on, it will get switched on. And if you have not noticed, then let me show you again. We say off, it goes off. When it is off, then this bar that you can see over here, the brightness bar, it is also disabled, this bar. And when we switch it on, this bar gets enabled, and we have a marker of 1 to 100, and the brightness is 100 at this time. So if we start reducing the brightness, you can very well see at this level the brightness comes down to 25 and there is lesser light, and we make it, the minimum value comes down to 1, and this 1 for LED it is 10%. So first of all, it is giving you the independence to set the brightness wherever you want to set it. It's not fixed to 10%, 20%, 40 or 60%. So now if we switch it off, it goes off, and when we switch it on, so you must notice this point, whatever brightness there was when you switch it on, it is on. On means 100%, and user can control that also. If the user wants that wherever the brightness was initially or at the last time it was set, we can configure that also. Any update, any changes required, requested by the user can be made. Okay, so after this, and moreover, like you can see here, you have 11 bulbs. If you have more than 11 bulbs, so let's suppose we have a scenario, let me switch it off. There's a scenario, then after 11th bulb you add a 12th bulb. So you have two options. First of all, you can manually add another button, or if you will not add the 12th button, when you connect the 12th bulb, it will automatically pop up. It will get configured, and when you remove that light, it will go disabled. Or if you want to remove, you can remove all these buttons. Every independence is there with this software. So now after this GUI, let us move on to the mobile phone. Okay, starting with the mobile phone, let me just unlock it. Okay, this is the app through which we can control this LED, and here again you can see we have 10 light buttons. The first one is named for the testing purpose, and then we have light 2 to 10, and all are disabled. Whenever you want to switch it on or switch it off, you just need to touch this button, and when you touch it, it goes on. The same LED goes on. Okay, and now I can just show you there is no change in GUI. We are not controlling it from GUI. It's completely controlled by the mobile app. Now, okay, let me put it here. Okay, if I make it off, it goes off. You want to control the brightness, you just need to switch it on and just long press this button, you will get a bar, or brightness bar, and when you, okay, let's start reducing the light, it goes down just like the GUI application. So now let me switch it off. it goes off. Same thing, and there is an add switch button. You want to manually add more buttons for the more bulbs, you can add them, and if you don't add them, then whenever you add a new bulb, it will get configured. Okay, now let me introduce you the components. This was a SenseNet, as I told you. This is the server device, this is the mobile device, this is the LED device, LED lamp you can say. Now smart LED device, LED light you can say. One thing which you have not have been introduced to you is this device, which is our very own SenseNet's enhancement device. This is the device that is controlling the entire system. So this was a simple demonstration of Internet of Things based on SenseNet's platform, and this LED lamp was being controlled by SenseNet's Enlighten. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.